Okay everyone, I have here a little mini rocket mass heater in the works. It is built out of some 4-inch 90-degree elbows inside of a paint can. The can is filled with a small amount of thermal mass to create insulation just to help with the burn. I do need to eventually put more thermal mass around the can, around the elbows, and up the chimney some to absorb more of the heat. Without it, we're getting some of that blowback that you're seeing right there. It goes up and out the wall. It's a really crude cut, I know, but I'll fix that part later. There is a chimney cap on the other side just for safety's sake. I've been burning it for a little while. I did burn it for about an hour or so outside in order to get rid of a bunch of the zinc coating on it just for safety's sake. But so far it's been burning pretty good. It's been burning really clean, and it's been warming up the shop pretty well. So all in all, it's a step in the right direction. More work to do on it, but I consider it a success for now.